Hi everyone. So I bought this egg boiler from Amazon, as you can see, and just after its return period was over, it stopped working. So, and it's a really good looking egg boiler from Gourmet Max, and I decided to see if we can open and make this an IoT egg boiler, which I could probably use with my home assistant. And so when the temperature and when the egg is ready, so I would probably get a notification, and it would also play maybe a distinctive a buzzer or a musical buzzer once the egg boiling is complete. So, but let's see how we can go about it since it has an internal coil. And the coil does not work anymore because and that's exactly the heating, it doesn't heat anymore. Okay, so we have opened this, and as you can see, there's a there's a small circuit inside. It has a buzzer and some basic electronics. This seems to be like like a like a thermo switch or something. When you have a certain temperature, this basically turns off the coil. Well, it seems that this things work fine, and these wires. So, but it's probably the coil that is not working. So to do that, I decided that we probably use a PTC heating plate where you have like different sorts of voltage and temperatures. So let's see if we can use those. Okay, so I have attached uh, two PTC heating plates. These are 220 degrees, 220 volts each, one on the side and the other one at the bottom. This is the heating coil which does not work anymore, and yeah, I mean, this whole thing is just like the whole egg boiler is for 20 bucks. So just thought probably the heating PTC plates would be far more cheaper. You get it on AliExpress for really cheap, and I didn't want to mess around with a lot of holes or anything, so I just tried to accommodate these two small PTC plates over here. I'll leave in the link in the description below for you guys to see it. Here's the final PCB. As you can see, I got it printed from mine from GLC PCB. As you can see, the quality is amazing. I have left a link for the schematics and the PCB in the description below, so you can have a look at that. Okay, so here's the PCB that I created for it. You can see there's a relay, there is AC to DC converter over here, you have a buzzer, and on the other side you see there are two LEDs to basically notify when the relay or where the heating is on. Also over here you can see an ESP8266, it's a Wi-Fi chip, and you have like a DC 5 volt to 3 volt step down converter over here, and here you can see we have the DS1820B sensor. I use this sensor because the boiling point for water is 100 degrees, and the total and the maximum temperature this sensor can test is 125 degrees, which should be sufficient enough. So after the boiling is complete, and when there is probably no water in the plate, the temperature rises to maybe 105 degrees, 110 degrees, and the moment when we detect that temperature, we will just use relay to turn off the egg boiler and send a notification. We'll turn it on now and we'll see. And you hear the beep, that means it's now connected to the Wi-Fi. So we'll just leave it over here and let it heat up for a while and see if the egg boils inside. Okay, so as you can see on my ESP home page, the temperature is rising and at around 105 degrees centigrade. Yeah, and you see the egg is boiled and working perfectly fine. So now you could see that we have an egg boiler that's connected to the Wi-Fi, works with Home Assistant, and you can easily replace any parts available from the market. Okay, I am not a professional video creator, but I hope this video really helps you to probably customize your own egg boiler or maybe something else to begin with. I've left all the links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.